Hello, my mama. Aqua baby. Your last video, no, not there can be before CSS. Yeah. Now, you're talking about see the insert CSS code ways, you know. You're talking about inline, internal, and external. But inline, and internal. You see, there can be for external. Okay, external then so. But they can't create media data, but me frame now. And now the way creating now and say, you know, if you use the link tag, link then so no be now a close na. Okay, a be now close na to say image tag. Now what you use relative is equal to style sheet. Now if you want a type, into a type on so I use a friend text /CSS. We are mature more say. Now if href is equal to CSS /style.css. Okay, code here actually. The actual say your website in load here and pick your CSS file from this source into href which is a hyperlink reference. Any CSS we your CSS we a folder be as a creative yeah your creative your website folder name. Yes, this is test website. CSS we folder name we any creative style na nkasa we a file name no your file name na your style the extension is CSS and a folder na the two no your name is CSS. Inti se baha the person and say your reference I have file CSS external CSS na free so folder we and a file name we and extension we na you pointed to in the moment a be create a link in a relative style sheet and a text type CSS type of document you using a CSS into link we in the pool your CSS near the eba into see a copy link we near the top your about page and I'm sure more time be answer yeah the link to in between the opening head and closing head tagging into see a your document in near the link and a tuma CSS be you near save nina a face CSS be a big creating a CSS file nini the CSS be a big creating so see I won't say p way first now I apply to index way but because say ya copy link no ato pages ni the individual pages ni mo no see you call a browser ni near refresh here unzi ya ka say p no enye red you code no ya ka say p no enye red into all p elements red now my head and so head elements and also my name blue. Okay, into external CSS code say neutral element in it now the curly bracket aba now the property cried the property are targeting a color and a value near blue into way Ade we ye hu saa ne kire we ye the element kro, then the curly brackets, then the property ye target ye color, and a color I demand a blue. This is the value into targeted property. We also man the value, and I wear semicolon at the end statement, and at the end the code into saying a true CSS codes in external CSS code saying a true into a true. You see, ni acquire website wa see a refresh here. So when say hello world and so change. Ya can say head H1 tags no any blue, na paragraph tags any red. It is a about page. So when say the same thing. Ya ba service page the same thing. And the contact page the same thing. Simply because you use the same CSS and a link here. You link the same style sheet and a more pages in the advantage of external CSS in the money say. So when you create pet now a link here, baby the link in the to be a take effect. Into imagine say web pages and our website no pages bear 20. Now was a word the elements now. Unse won't mean mobia 1111, but who use external now. Unya year changes now be affected. Into external CSS advantage a woman. Into mostly only the best practice I use. So website no that's one. And all along your hair color. And you are talking about your trim say color near property and value no blue near value. But CSS you will quite be say ABA. You buy a CSS, you buy a HTML document in the man. A first heading way, you per se ye blue, but second heading way, you per se ye different color. Say ne be fast way be. And on a free BB class. A free BB class. And I say ID. The idea and say would the name a specific and how they target a specific element our website. Say be a person will apply CSS will be to me a call as a class and I say ID. No way to me a target that specific element. And a class and a ID and so one a DB or PBR and I'll be used and a text BR. In this is here, say per se. Your first H1 no a blue na, but second one you see a green na. The beya say you bema H1 way class into class and so syntax and say natural and the code no say natural into see the mekan no see the open be a DB or PBR bit me a use into a be a class we bema no maybe second H1 and a class or private me use hyphen and a underscore and a trouble in the second H1 and a class and so you throw inside the first opening tag into a man a class see a buy a CSS more you beat me a fresh class we ne apply style be a person here the man into Emra and a offer class and once over dot no about class grow in a second H1 no open or curly brackets who open we are not property crap person will apply into a be a color a green ɛno ani wowie a no asave afei ɛbɛ refresh your page no when say we are green and I still we are blue simply because you use color, you use class, you use class and a target sadie we I say yɛn fan say yawo akra na yɛtutu din yɛ mu bi yɛ din sɛ bɛyɛ pɛsɛ yɛfrɛ nipa na yɛbɛtumi abɔ oni akro din de ayɛ dɛn afrɛ no nti sɛ class we de ɛkyerɛ ne sɛ yɛama saa h1 we din nti sɛ yɛpɛsɛ yɛ apply editing bi ana CSS ana styling bi ama na yɛbɛfrɛ saa di we na yɛ apply de ayɛ dɛn ama no nti class ne dwumadi a ɛdi no ɛna class nso no yɛbɛtumi de ama a group of files we a yɛde ama we no yɛbɛtumi a repeat ama foforo nti sɛsi a yɛba ha nso ne yɛbɔ class equal to we can use saa second h1 na no wa save nti sɛ yɛkɔ yɛ page hɔ ne yɛ refresh a so when say we nso ayɛ green nti the class can be used anywhere bia a person nti mostly sɛ wo person will apply the same CSS ma different headings or paragraphs and how to use class back when heading at the man sɛ bɛyɛ a ɛbɛyɛ apply ama ne nyinaa nti we yɛ the parent then there is the class ɛna id deɛ wobɛtumi ayɛ so no once pɛ sɛ yɛma we id nso say ne yɛtwerɛ no id is equal to then into brackets id korɔ ebia first h1 no wa save nti saa first h1 id a yɛ create yɛntimi ma h1 biara biem the same id yɛntimi ɛyɛ yɛyusu no once nti sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛma we id a gye sɛ no nso yɛma id no different name yɛntimi nyusu first h1 we yɛntimi nyusu nti gye sɛ yɛma no foforɔ ɛdin foforɔ koraa any site nti yɛbɛtumi ayusu second h1 ɛdin bia Alex anything any text ɛna id no nso either sɛ id anaasɛ class either sɛ wɔbɛ starting with underscore now the bi a ɛdin no atoa so but wontumi nyusu numbers nti memfa nsɛ wei yɛnyɛ no wode yɛmfrɛ no black id wei black na yɛnhwɛ adeɛ id wei nso yɛfrɛ no first h1 na yɛnsave nti yɛkɔ yɛ CSS ni ma wofrɛ id a woyusu the hash sign difference nso ɛwɔ id ne ɛyi mu no class mu no woyusu na ɛnyɛ wei ebia grey id o call id ahyɛ ne nso yɛyusu hash ɛna wofrɛ class a ɛyɛ dot okay nti yɛba yɛ page a ɔne yɛ refresh a when say hello world no asesa now bɛka yɛ san create id foforɔ bi a yɛfrɛ no black nti ɛno nso yɛpɛ sɛ yɛyusu a yɛbɛtumi ayusu de a money different bi a text align center but even saa deɛ we yɛbɛtumi a create ne nyinaa wɔ wei ase because the same element na the same element the same element nti bibi ebe use be a just say you use the same thing okay ma more black na answer all right two bones ebe push na ba center but who here say be issue ID ne class or 1A because we are there by a bit me as I de share. I'm an eye into a moon here say just say be a per se a man specific be a per se unique now unique. So when say me a text no I better than okay. Inti meet me aka say style no class any ID no difference say class ubetimi I call a class for content bebre page this, but ID there you using it uniquely a unique to it is a me use ID back one mean to me repeat but class there let me repeat the difference I had a woman and they had to target a specific element to edit it. Not the woman. And I'm back I casafa quickly, ya casafa some inline elements behind. My main demonstrated a cruncher. Into for instance, a happy way, ye per se ye bolder. We can just use the inline elements, maybe the idea. Into strong chess we any bold. We are no save. I feel be cool page on. Very fresh. One say happy no I bold. Say per se italica. And one say ye use em. Into see there somebody kaya me catch you say inline elements. Mostly is in between the block elements. Into is in between here the target like individual words and I say a group of words. Okay. Into here me the ear masha on ya refresh here and say we are italic. Into inline elements and so ni juma edi no. Obet me the target only one word or a block of elements and our text. So when say we open wa no ma close one, that means the same thing in no will be italic. A quick one there. So all right. Into back to your CSS no. See na yate near maybe asem. Yeah, be apply CSS no your color and also properties in the bebre your color, background color, borders into mostly the color emma text. It can be head color, text color. Into some examples you use colors. And your universal one so for instance me body na me be me curly brackets or them I mean delete we manza. Okay, that means save me refresh na mon hardy. Okay, into universal one they be ni see as me body na me bo color na me cast a red. Chess a content be a body name, a text be an any color red. Small content in a red. A text be apart from links and the default color for links a blue into the non-society because I chose a link. Into excuse me, universal where a target and so can be the body. And in the body then so we can have background into semi-creative background color of let's say black. Me use hex for black. You can use 3 zeros or 6 zeros. Now me save that means by this code, no, I'm telling body no refer to the entire page. The entire page from her to form her. The entire page is the body. In this code ya mabon, me person me catch your web page or say background and then black and my background color. Then your text red. In this me refresh page now. And the background I black and your text I red. So you call other pages because a link no winter. So I say the same thing I show all. And that's the beauty of using external CSS. On the data here. Okay. The external CSS the Emma Jumana Oyan very easy. Okay. I think my introduction to CSS. I feel you ever go into details kakra. Until the basic and your next topic. You focus on CSS until they are not ever build a live project so that the SUA so far you can boom. See the MD can subscribe to page share my amount for so freebie now so when na unsubscribe munja comment so wase na minim say next time e be share na e be send sua na e ma bebre medam asibi bye.